All right, here's the plan. I'm gonna make a heart out of a horseshoe. Which one should I use? Which one looks good to me? Ooh, maybe this one. All right, we just gotta clean out the old forge there. The old clinkers out of there. All right. When you least expect it, boom, fire! Actually, I kind of expected it. Fix that jiggly chimney. Flatten this out now. I'm a little out of practice on these. I got this a little off center from those lines you can see, but we'll see if it still comes out. Friggin' clinkers in this thing. Man. Gotta let my fire build again. It's like some of the worst coal I've ever had. And we get the other side. I really need to fix that chimney. It's driving me nuts. Little. Oh well. Go. center, it's going to cause me some problems. But I can't fix that. So try to get that in the middle and you'll do a better job. Unlike I'm about to do. Ho, ho, ho. I'd put that a little closer to my lips, but I don't think I really want to do that. Okay, we just got to heat up the middle there now. Alright, there we go. See how bad we can do. See, now if I had to put my V in the middle, like a smart guy, this would be more centered. See how far off I am? So I'm going to put this side back in, because it's taller, and we're going to fix that. Kind of going to fix it. Whoa, I just put my thumb on that. Well, that's as pretty as I plan on making that today. You can see how with a little bit of practice you could probably do a better job than me. So yeah, that's it. I actually make these at the Fire and Water Festival and some other demos I've done. I got to give a big shout out to Brian Postma, who had showed me how to make these in person. Great blacksmith in his own right, and deserving of all the credit of this crappy Horseshoe Heart. He does them really nice. I do them too fast and I make a mess out of them. So his are way prettier than mine. And big shout out to Brian. So it's a good way to make a few bucks. I actually make them and sell them all night long as I'm doing the demo. Probably make 15-20 bucks a pop depending on who I'm selling them to and how big they are, because the bigger ones are a bit more work. That's it. Horseshoe Heart. All right, here's